Hello guys, this is an easy way to study in 3 minutes. Today we're learning about oproepteken, punt, verkeerde teken and comma. So you need to have a pen and a pencil to write. So oproepteken, let's start with that. I even wrote notes. Oproepteken, exclamation mark. So we don't just learn one thing once and then we just like, I know it. No, these are punctuation marks. You find it in maybe one of your tests. Oh well, I found this in my test and I got 4 marks for it. So ons sal teken teen was pon dan in die horden. Yo guys, it's hey you are so rude, but do not, hey, don't step on the road, exclamation mark in Afrikaans. Oproepteken. But in English it's exclamation mark. So it's hey, don't step on me, as well as don't step on the road, exclamation mark. So then in Afrikaans it's teken ongelybykes. Daar in gesbekykes. There's it. So you're gonna read this and I think next is point. Point is just like in every normal sentence there's like a full stop, right? That's also point. Point is a full stop. I wrote point, P-U-N-T, and then a point right there underneath point. Then aan die inmisgei open seun ek hou van netbal. My favorite sport is netball. Full stop. Netball. An A-A-N D-D-I-E Ian E-I-N-D-E Fun A-A-V-A-N